Apple's highly anticipated iPad 11th generation is making waves among tech enthusiasts, sparking discussions and speculations across the internet. While Apple has yet to confirm the specifics, a steady stream of leaks and rumors has provided a glimpse into what we can expect from this latest iteration of Apple's budget-friendly tablet. From potential design enhancements to hardware upgrades and new software capabilities, let's dive into all the details surrounding the iPad 11, including its release date, pricing, and key features. iPad 11 release date. When can we expect it? For those eagerly awaiting the arrival of the iPad 11, the expected release date points towards a March or April 2025 launch. Apple has consistently refreshed its base iPad lineup every 1 to 2 years, and this prediction aligns with the company's past spring event cycles. The iPad 10 debuted in October 2022, meaning an 18-month gap between iterations. Longer than usual, but still within Apple's strategic update timeframe. Apple frequently uses its spring launch event to introduce more affordable devices, including entry-level iPads and the iPhone SE. If Apple follows its historical pattern, we should expect the iPad 11 to be revealed alongside updates to other budget-focused products, reinforcing Apple's position in the competitive tablet market. iPad 11 design. Will there be a major overhaul? If you're hoping for a major redesign, you might need to temper your expectations. Reports suggest that the iPad 11 will retain the familiar design of the iPad 10, featuring 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display, flat-edge chassis, USB-C port for universal connectivity, no physical home button. This design consistency has both advantages and drawbacks. On the plus side, it maintains a streamlined look and ensures compatibility with existing accessories. However, those looking for a fresh aesthetic might be disappointed, as Apple appears to be focusing on internal enhancements rather than an exterior makeover. Display technology. Sticking to LCD. There have been ongoing rumors about Apple eventually bringing OLED displays to its iPad lineup, but this is expected to remain exclusive to the iPad Pro series. The iPad 11 will likely continue using a Liquid Retina LCD, just like its predecessor. This means users can expect 2360 by 1640 resolution for crisp visuals, True Tone technology for color accuracy, no mini LED or OLED upgrade. By maintaining LCD technology, Apple keeps costs lower and differentiates the base model from its more premium iPad Air and Pro siblings. Processor upgrade, A16 Bionic or A7 Pro. One of the most critical aspects of the iPad 11 is its processor upgrade. Early leaks pointed towards the A7 Pro chip, which powers the latest iPad mini. However, more recent leaks suggest Apple will equip the iPad 11 with the A16 Bionic chip, a significant leap from the A14 Bionic found in the iPad 10. Here's a quick comparison. iPad 10, A14 Bionic, 5nm architecture. iPad 11, rumored A16 Bionic, more efficient, better graphics. The A16 Bionic will deliver faster processing speeds, smoother multitasking, improved gaming performance, and longer battery life, making it a worthwhile upgrade for casual users and students alike. Additionally, RAM may increase to 6 GB, improving app switching and overall performance. iPad 11 price. Will Apple keep it affordable? Price is always a hot topic when it comes to Apple products. The iPad 10 initially launched at $449, but later dropped to $349 in May 2024. The big question is whether Apple will maintain this price for the iPad 11 or revert to the original $449 starting cost. Factors influencing pricing. Keeping the $349 price ensures competitiveness against Samsung Galaxy Tab A series and Amazon Fire Max tablets. Raising to $449 could be justified with internal hardware improvements, such as the A16 Bionic and increased RAM. Ultimately, Apple may aim to strike a balance between affordability and performance, ensuring the iPad 11 remains a compelling option for students, casual users, and those seeking a reliable tablet. Magic Keyboard update, a productivity boost. One of the most exciting rumors is the launch of a redesigned Magic Keyboard alongside the iPad 11. According to sources, this new accessory will further enhance the iPad's usability as a lightweight laptop alternative. Expected improvements include a larger, more responsive trackpad, enhanced ergonomics for comfortable typing, Additional shortcuts for iPadOS productivity features. If Apple delivers on these rumors, the iPad 11 could become an even more viable choice for students and professionals needing a portable workstation. iPad 17 and software enhancements. The iPad 11 is expected to ship with iPadOS 17, granting access to Apple's latest software features. While there's no confirmation of exclusive iPad 11 specific capabilities, some general improvements include refined Stage Manager for multitasking, enhanced AI-powered recommendations, improved Apple Pencil integration. Since the entry-level iPad is widely used in educational settings, Apple may also introduce new education-focused features tailored for students and classrooms. Final thoughts. Is the iPad 11 worth the wait? Based on leaks and rumors, the iPad 11 appears to be a solid but incremental upgrade rather than a revolutionary change. Here are the key takeaways. While this update may not introduce groundbreaking innovations, it offers better performance, improved efficiency, and enhanced productivity options, making it an attractive choice for students, professionals, and general users. As always, these details are based on rumors, and leaks. Apple may still have a few surprises up its sleeve. Stay tuned for official announcements, and be sure to subscribe to Technology in the Future for all the latest updates on Apple devices and cutting-edge tech innovations.